Well, heading now to the town of Rodriguez in Rizal province, which suffered massive flooding. A number of residents are now back in their homes asking for assistance and trying to pick up the pieces. Our senior correspondent, Lois Calderon, now joins us live. Lois, what is the situation like there now?
Pia, the flood has receded, but now comes the hard and tedious task of cleaning out the mud. Help has come, but the people need more. Food and water, two necessities to live. People are now on survival mode after Ulysses.
Ano po, sa mga binibigay lang po na relief.
Salamat kami, may dumating na tubig na rasyon.
Almost 14,000 evacuees, some of them have returned to their homes. But a cleanup will definitely be hard. Manila Water sent tankers, so people are in a mad rush to get water. No lines, no physical distancing. This tanker can provide only up to 10 drums, so the residents will need more to clean their homes.
We understand the situation ngayon na kahit na mayroong supply, nawawala dahil sabay-sabay na gumagamit. No? So what we are doing right now to try to augment yung kulang ng supply by providing tankering services.
Binobomba natin yung mga burak na nasa karsada para malinis ito. Tapos gumagamit din tayo ng heavy equipment, kunyari grader, para makayod yung mga putik na makakapal.
Small businesses like stores slowly reopen. Disaster officials and residents begin to count the losses. 4 missing, 3 dead. Red Cross volunteers are also on the ground distributing medicine and masks. Pia, as people prioritize food and water, the COVID threat is now the least of their concerns. Back to you.
Lois Calderon there reporting from Rodriguez, Rizal.